We were the first union in Wales to sign the Time to Change Wales Pledge, which commits us to end stigma and discrimination around mental health.
You elected 10 students to part-time officer positions, including many to liberation and section roles, representing you throughout the university.
Over 3,000 students were welcomed here in Aberystwyth during Freshers' Week, with a massive range of induction and social events.
Over 5,000 of you attended the Freshers' Fairs at the start of term, which has led to a third of the student body signing up to a sports club or society.
This year we've revamped our societies and sports club membership into a convenient, accessible online membership system through our website.
We really wanted to hear your feedback on your education here, which is why we launched the Aber Agenda, a 6-week feedback project to find out just what you think of your education. This goes on to form a written agenda of the Student Collective.
We've lobbied for you and your sexual health provision in Aberystwyth, which in turn has led to an offer of additional services in the Wellness Centre.
Your officers have been out and about on campus to listen to your views on your time in Aberystwyth.
You helped us raise over £600 in the big sale, which we fed back into Nightline.
Mae'ch undeb nawr yn gallu cynnig gwasanaeth ymgynghori llawn drwy'r amser.
Our housing fair attracted over 1,000 of you to learn about private sector accommodation in Aberystwyth.
This semester, we've piloted a continuous module feedback system with a handful of departments, meaning you can give feedback and submit queries at any point during your studies, not just as your module's ending.
The back of the main room has been refurbished into the Picture House, a bookable space with state-of-the-art projection facilities.
Mae yna lot o ddewis o gerddoriaeth Cymraeg lleol a chenedlaethol wedi bod drwy arlwyd prysur IPGA.
We've brought back the Mature Students Association to give mature students a social and networking forum.
We've expanded the union into a social day space with food offers from Stone Willie's, the bakery and more.
To find out how to get involved next semester, check out our website.